Hey there planner friends, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. This is Beloved Plans and this channel is for anyone who's looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a future video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my spread for the week of February 15th. And this week's theme is Cold Hands, Warm Heart. So for this week's spread, I decided to use this Color Story 4 sticker book as they have some really awesome seasonal type stickers in there. I actually pulled this whole sheet out of there because I'm going to incorporate a lot of the stickers from here. It's perfect for this week. And then I'm also going to use a little bit from Modern Farmhouse. So go ahead and get comfortable and let's get started. So as you can see, I once again did a little bit of pre-planning, just gathered a few stickers, and I also have my tear-off sheet that has my schedule for the week. We have a busy start to the week, but then it gets quieter as the week goes on. So I'm gonna just keep this handy so I can reference it as I'm building my spread, so that I can put my boxes where I have things going on and whatnot. I always like to start with my larger stickers, so I'm gonna use that one on Monday because it's a good place to put all my appointments for that day. And then I have this transparent collect beautiful moments sticker. And I think I'm going to white out the lines behind it here just because I think otherwise it distracts too much from behind it. So I love the theme this week because it is extremely cold here in Minnesota. I think the wind chill average for this week was like negative 20 degrees and our temperatures are about, between 5 and 10 below zero too. So it's perfect for all these winter feeling stickers. I just want to cover up that line because that sticker is also kind of transparent. Put my President's Day sticker over on the 15th. Then I'm going to lay down this cute peach sticker. So the Modern Farmhouse sticker book had the same tone of peach and whatnot that were in the Color Story one that I used, and same with the green and kind of that pink color. So that worked really, really well in this spread to combine those two. I'm gonna put these little boots over here on the left side, and I can't wait to add all those snowflake stickers because it's really gonna bring everything to life, I think. And these mittens are super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up the line underneath those because they're kind of transparent. I feel like that makes a huge difference when I do that. I did pull out some of these gold hearts too from Modern Farmhouse. I thought they would be a cute little flair on the spread. So now I'm going to lay down this quote sticker. That one, the line falls in between the words, so I think it's going to be okay there. And I love the colorful boxes that are in the Modern Farmhouse sticker book because they match all those different shades of pink and peach perfectly. I wanted to try to find like the teal color or that blue color, but I'm just not finding anything that has that. So we'll just stick with the pink. I'm going to put this now sticker down and a to-do so that I can have a place for my to-do list. And then the plan down here on the right. I started binge watching Yellowstone. I'm not sure if you guys have watched that at all. Let me know in the comments if you have below. And this week, since we have such a quiet week, I thought I would put that in my planner so that when I'm looking back, I can remember how fun it was to binge watch Yellowstone. I love these little hat stickers, these little beanies. They're so cute. Totally living in those right now too. So I'm just gonna start placing down these different snowflakes, and I love the color blue that they are. I'm gonna add a couple hearts too. I'm gonna add this smaller colorful box, I think. Yeah, I'll just put that up on Friday. And then another little gold heart. And then I'm just gonna stick this gold heart over at the top left. I'm gonna kind of overlap it just for something different there. And I love the little coffee mugs. I'm gonna try to cover up that line with that gel pen there. It's just not working super good. I don't know why I can't get it to work. I don't know if it's dried out or what, but there's plenty in there. So just trying to color over that. Okay, so now I'm going to keep adding these snowflakes down. And I'm also going to grab these 4 to-do stickers. It's the exact same shade of blue. I think I need to move that to-do flag or else move the stickers because they're totally bugging me how they're not all off to the left side. I add this little hat in here. So there's also these blue little kind of starburst stickers that are the same color, so I'm going to use those. I'm going to move this to-do flag over to the right, and then I'll add a third one. There we go. That looks so much better. So I'm going to put 3 of those there, and then just keep adding these last few snowflakes. And this is coming together so cute. I love it so much. I know all our friends down in the south, like in Texas and stuff, are having major weather issues this week. So I hope you all are staying safe and warm as possible. And I have a friend whose pipes have frozen, and it's just crazy that, you know, something in Minnesota we take for granted so easily, dealing with all the snow and the cold. All right, so I thought this time I would go ahead and write my week in so you guys could see a little bit of like an after the pen also. So I'm gonna just use my sheet here and just start filling things in on my planner. I'm gonna move that sticker over to Wednesday because we also have no school on Wednesday. I'm gonna write my appointments for Monday down. Kind of a busy day, just a few different things going on. I'm really trying to use my hand lettering more in my planner too. I just love how it looks. Usually I add in my to-dos as the week progresses. If I have something I know I need to get done, I'll add it in right away at the beginning when I do the spread. But otherwise, I will just add it in as the week goes on. All right, so there we have my cold hands, warm heart spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's plan with me. I'm gonna go ahead and link to last week's over on the right here, and I will see you guys next time.